Welcome to Drawliper channel. Today I am going to show you how to undelete photos in your Android phone. So at first open up your gallery app, then tap on pictures. Now from here if you delete these two photos, now if you want to undelete these two photos, just tap on this icon, then go to recycle bin option. And here it is. On the recycle bin you can find your deleted photos. If you want to undelete these two photos, just touch and hold it, then tap on restore all. And it's done. Now just go back and here it is. Now if you go to home screen, now if you want to undelete any photos on Google Photos app, just open up Google Photos. Now from here if I delete this photo, now if you want to undelete this photo, just tap on collections, then go to bin option, and here it is. Just touch and hold it, then tap on restore, then tap on allow, and it's done. Now just go back. And that's it. You can see the photos has been undeleted successfully. And that is how you can undelete photos in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.